We begin tonight with significant damage from several confirmed tornadoes. They tore through Erath and Jack counties on Saturday night.
Yeah, fortunately, no one was seriously injured or killed, and the National Weather Service is on the ground right now assessing just how powerful they were.
Kevin Reese shows us the wreckage from Weatherford and the repairs already underway.
Dry Creek Estates is a community of about a dozen homes here northwest of downtown Weatherford, one of several neighborhoods between here and Millsap, cleaning up what the Saturday storms left behind.
It's spotty. It's not a continual path. It hopped. It didn't just stay on the ground.
Developer Zane Nixon showed us the damage to his neighborhood. Multiple homes had roofs ripped off. Two of the homes damaged so severely and shifted on their foundations that they'll have to be inspected to see if they have to be torn down and completely rebuilt. Roofers are at work today on the homes they believe can be saved, covering the gaping holes with blue tarps. But the developer's most important advice for these homeowners was to approach their insurance coverage carefully too.
As nice as the adjusters are and as great a guys as they are, they work for the insurance company and they're there representing the insurance company. Yep. So if you don't have someone there that's representing you to take care of your side of things and to look out for your best interest, then you're really just kind of gambling.
Meanwhile, the community here is banding together, including members of the Peaster High School football team, helping clear down limbs and trees and other debris. Neighbors here are moving quickly before the next storms of April move in. In Weatherford, I'm Kevin Reese.